today I'm going to tell you some of the mistakes students are doing in PTE academic preparation. Well, number one thing is that ignoring the speaking practice. Well, you have to practice on daily basis, okay, regularly. If you have to attempt your test after like 4 weeks, 5 weeks, or 6 weeks, you should practice as much as you can, because if you will not practice, then your score will not be maintained. So practice on regular basis. This is very important. Number two thing is that most of the students, they speak too fast. Either they are giving their IELTS test or they are attempting PTE academic. Well, I think that it's very important that you should speak at a specific pace, not too fast, not too slow, and then you will see a very important improvement in your PTE academic speaking module, especially. Number three thing is that you ignore vocabulary. Why? Vocabulary is very important. If you are going to follow, or if you're going to learn vocabulary on daily basis, like 5 words daily, you are learning their meanings, and you are learning their synonyms. That will also help you in PTE scoring. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, and then there is one more important thing is that you have to speak naturally. Okay, like most of the students, they are speaking on artificial terms. Okay, they don't speak naturally. Their accent, they are focusing on accent. Okay, accent is not important if your pronunciation is not accurate, it's not correct, then PTE academic scoring or computer will not give you the marks. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And for example, there is one more important mistake students are doing, that they're skipping difficult questions. So first of all, you have to see that which module is challenging for you, which module needs more practice, which module needs more you can say time for practice. So just try to find out those questions. Either it's in reading, it's in writing, it's in speaking. So try to practice those difficult questions. And there is an app, okay, App Uni. Okay, you can download it on your Play Store, but obviously you have to practice it on your laptop. So you can just try to log in that App Uni, okay, and subscribe your package. And definitely there will be mock test also. So try to attempt mocks on regular basis after getting all the important information related to your modules. Then you will see your score as well, because App Uni is little bit near to the real score. Okay, if you are practicing accurately, regularly, okay, with full concentration. And then there is one more thing is time management. Okay, don't try to spend a lot of time on one module. Okay, just try to divide your modules, that in one week you have to concentrate on speaking, and in the second week you have to concentrate on your writing, then reading, and then you have to concentrate on your listening also. Most of the time, writing for mostly Pakistani students, okay, Asian students, their main important issue is writing and reading. So most of the time they need more time to practice that. So you have to practice all the rules of writing, or you can practice all the rules of reading. Okay, you can join some classes, or you can hire a competent tutor for you, or even my classes are open for you. I'm just taking PT classes these days, and most of the students are learning a lot, and I'm telling everything in a detailed manner. So this is very important, that you should get a good tutor that can help you in all these things. Okay, so templates. Okay, the important thing is that mostly students rely on templates. This is very bad. Templates are not good. Okay, when you have to write something, you are using a line which has no connection with the next line. Obviously computer is not going to give you the marks. So try to create a natural template. Okay, you can make your own template. Okay, make some specific lines that can help you, that looks something natural, that can help you in all these things. Okay, so this is very important. If you avoid all these things, okay, pronunciation, and try to learn grammar rules for PTE, so start practicing from the day one. Make your routine, make your challenge. Don't try to jump on the test. that without practice you are attempting your test, okay? And you can subscribe our channel for more updates, for more videos like this. What are you waiting for?